Hello everyone. So I am Dipanshu from Fixing Man. Today I will show you how you can call a mechanic via app uh, whose name is Fixing Man. So as you know that first we log in, and now you also log in with Touch ID, and when you log in successfully, then this window will show you. Then click on repairing, and it will show you simple 5 steps to call a mechanic on your app. So first fill the customer address, and you will also able to customize with the Google Maps. To activate this feature, click on question mark. Okay, write about something about your fault, and then upload your photo. Okay, and then uh, click on repairing services. In this menu you will able to choose your relevant repairing services. Okay, like car repairing and etc. And then you that's time to select service timing, in uh, in which timing you want to technician uh, on location. Okay, and then you select timing and date of repairing services, and then you will select the state. Now, currently it is working on 5 states in India, and click on submit. Okay, and charges will be rupees 10, app charges plus repairing charges of technician. Okay, so if you facing any problem, then please uh, contact on live support or on customer care number. Okay, thank you.